picture a sunlit road where women drive not just cars, but dreams. Each journey is a brushstroke on the canvas of life, painting stories of triumph over adversity. We champion this driving force, empowering the women in our teams to soar to limitless heights. Stereotypes melt away, leaving behind a landscape where every woman is a beacon of inspiration. With every role they embody, mother, sister, wife, they weave a tapestry of reliance and love, crafting a legacy that whispers of strength and compassion. They are not just driving, they are shaping the way for a brighter tomorrow for future generations.